Hi, this is Zoe. Welcome to my channel.
Today I will introduce you how to custom PE bags. PE bag is a commonly used packaging material in today's market. It offers high-quality performance thanks to its moisture, weathering, affordable, and durability, making it a great option for protecting items during transport and storage. Customers can customize PE bags in a variety of ways, including determining the dimensions, thickness, and printing options. Companies can print their logos or different colors on the bags to create a unique and recognizable packaging solution. These bags are versatile and can be used in a variety of industries, such as food and beverage, healthcare, and retail.
If you want to know more details, please follow us or check